Welcome back. In recent years, automation has become not only a key aspect of industry, but also a new subgenre in the world of video games, offering the opportunity to create and manage complex production and logistics systems. Despite their seemingly simple premise, these games often instantly captivate users, consuming all their free time as they spend tens of hours creating well-designed, efficient automated chains. In this video, I'll talk about the most fascinating automation games. I'll start with Oddsparks, an automation adventure. This is a mix of automation and real-time strategy. In this game, you explore a quirky fantasy world, uncover ancient mysteries, automate your workshops, and embark on adventures with amusing creatures. Instead of traditional conveyor belts, you manage the movement of sparks, optimizing their routes to improve efficiency. The game features diverse biomes, procedurally generated worlds, and unique enemies. You can play solo or in co-op with up to 4 players. Hydroneer. Here, your task is to reshape a vast landscape to create an extensive network of caves, quarries, and spoil heaps in an effort to accelerate production and material gathering. Construction in Hydroneer is based on a modular system that provides great freedom and creativity, allowing you to design your own pipeline network to manage water flow and power equipment. Of course, any resources you gather can be used to craft new types of materials, weapons, and upgrades to give your bases a unique identity. Techtonica. This is a first-person factory building simulator. You are tasked with exploring caves beneath the surface of an alien planet to gather resources, mine minerals, and create complex industrial systems. You'll need to build and optimize factories using various mechanics and tools to develop efficient production chains. The game supports online multiplayer. Captain of Industry. A colony and factory simulator where you start with a small team of survivors on an abandoned island. Your goal is to rebuild the settlement, ensure its survival, and organize production, transforming the island into a leading industrial hub. The game stands out with its fully modifiable terrain, allowing you to design quarries, level surfaces, and create hills. Production processes are meticulously detailed, from metallurgy to oil refining, featuring multiple stages and byproducts. You'll manage logistics by building complex networks of conveyors and pipes while ensuring the well-being of your workers. Factory Town. This game centers on building, automating, and optimizing the operation of a massive factory in an open world. Starting with a small cabin in a remote forest and a few workers, you can transform your settlement into a vast automated factory comprising mines, sawmills, furnaces, carts, and conveyor belts, connecting various nodes into a living organism. This masterpiece is complemented by an extensive technology tree, enabling you to unlock new buildings and mechanisms. Here, you don't have to worry about enemy invasions or food shortages, allowing you to focus solely on improving the efficiency of your enterprises. Timberborn, a city-building simulator where you lead a race of intelligent beavers who have taken over after humanity's extinction. The goal is to stockpile enough food and water to sustain your colony through rainy and dry seasons, while advancing technology to unlock new features. Once you master the core mechanics, you'll progress to creating more complex machinery and turning precious wood and metal into watermills, sawmills, grinders, and engines. InfraSpace, a sci-fi factory building simulator with a focus on creating a utopia outside the solar system. Starting from scratch, you gradually develop your colony by establishing resource extraction and production processes. To ensure a smooth supply chain, you must build logistics routes for vehicles transporting goods. In practice, the transport system in InfraSpace resembles a conveyor belt, evolving into a network of tangled lines and intersections. Infinifactory, The core gameplay loop involves designing and assembling products that meet the quality standards of your alien supervisors, with any failure potentially leading to your dismissal. Infinifactory features a story campaign with over 50 puzzles, audio logs, and various tools to help optimize factory operations. Additionally, the game includes a sandbox mode and Steam Workshop support, allowing players to create, share, and play custom minigames. Railgrade, a railway network management simulator set on an extraterrestrial colony. As the planet's administrator, your job is to restore the damaged infrastructure, lay out complex multi-level tracks, and optimize train routes for efficient resource delivery and city development. The game offers diverse missions with a ranking system, encouraging replayability to achieve better results. Mindustry. This game combines resource management with tower defense elements. You'll construct intricate industrial complexes using conveyor belt networks to transport ammunition and resources, while strategically placing turrets to fend off enemy invaders. Mindustry includes a powerful map creation tool, enabling you to set unique starting conditions that can be adjusted further. This allows for customizing gameplay by altering the location of resource deposits, rivers, and even enemies across the map. Astroneer. Astroneer takes players to vibrant alien worlds with a limited set of basic tools and a desire to explore new territories. The gameplay revolves around a unique crafting system where you create networks of research bases, power stations, and essential oxygen pipelines. Additionally, Astroneer features a terraforming tool that allows you to alter the terrain, simplify navigation between locations, and explore underground caves. Gathered resources can be used to expand your base with new production tools, enabling you to build ground and space vehicles. Dyson Sphere Program, a highly detailed economic simulator of interplanetary construction. You play as a space engineer tasked with creating massive orbital structures capable of absorbing solar energy and converting it into an infinite power source. The game places great emphasis on automating production alongside interstellar transport and logistics systems. With procedural generation, each playthrough offers a unique experience. Factorio. One of the best resource management and building games, Factorio challenges you to take uninhabited lands and transform them into an industrial paradise. The journey begins with your character stranded on an alien planet, where you must manually chop trees, mine ore, and build machines. However, as your engineering skills improve, you'll automate your machinery to unlock and produce new technology on a planetary scale. Factorio set a high standard, inspiring many notable projects in its wake. Satisfactory, a game with a strong focus on open-world exploration and impressive graphics. You'll gather resources, build and optimize complex production chains, automating processes using conveyor belts, pipelines, trains, and drones. The game offers both single-player and cooperative multiplayer modes, allowing you and your friends to collaboratively create massive factories. I consider this the best automation game to date with the most diverse gameplay experience. The Image Game Channel was with you. Have a nice day.